Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to craft a perfect image. You can see this is a simple image with a simple prompt, and this is a strong image which was created with a strong prompt. Today, we will see how we can increase the quality of our prompt. So, let's open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open in front of you, here we will just go to Leonardo AI and log in just using Overbridge. Here you can see this is not A. If I am scrolling down right here, you can see there is a lot of models available. Right here, you can create anything, any of these models from our image generation section. So, let's go to the image generation section, go to the left side of your screen, and here you will see a button of image generation. Click on it. After clicking, a new page will be open in front of you. Once a new page is open in front of you, you can see this is a page of image generation, and here we can easily generate any image using prompt. So, in the prompt section, I will just write a simple prompt like a boy is sitting in a garden. After writing a boy is sitting in a garden, just go to the front of that prompt, and you will see a button right here. So, press on it. After clicking, the image generation process will start. Your image will be generated in a few seconds. It will depend on your internet connection. If your internet connection is good, it will not take too much time. If it is not good, it can take too much time for generating. Here you go, you can see your image has been generated. In your image generation section, it will be shown. You can see this is your image. Here you go, you can see your image has been generated. In your image generation section, it will be shown. You can see this is your image, this is the image of your prompt. And now, you will see how we can improve the quality of that prompt. So, let's close this image. After closing, just scroll up a bit, and here you will see a button of prompt generation. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open in front of you. In this format, we just type our prompt in it, and it will generate a good form for us. And we can edit that prompt easily. Basically, this action will provide an idea to us to create a good prompt. So, just paste your previous prompt in it, a boy sitting in a garden. After that, go to the front of that prompt and you will see a button of edit. Click on it. After clicking, it will start generating. It will not take too much time to generate. There you go, your prompt has been generated. You can choose any prompt, you can use any prompt easily. So, I want to use that prompt, okay? So, go to the front of that prompt and here you will see a button of generate. Just click on it. After clicking, here you go, you can see your image has been generated. In your image generation section, it will be shown. You can see. There you go, your image has been generated. To see your image, click on it and you can see this image is detailed and we can easily download this image. So, go to the bottom of that image and here you will see a button of download image. Click on it. After clicking, your image will be downloaded in a few seconds. And at the right upper side of your PC, you will see a pop-up. It means notification. Your image has been downloaded and saved in your PC download section. That's all the way to create good images with a strong prompt. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.